Mother, can I see you?
Nigga, no ceilings. 5 o'clock in the morning.
Double there, Bray?
No.
That hold the
Can
camera.
hear the pigeons yawning. Who's next? Hold up, here's a napkin. Oh no, my hair. Go swimming.
The damn camera. Go. Bree's gonna go.
No, I'm not.
Who's going?
I don't know.
I got all over my hair.
A little bit.
Can you get it out?
I'm a dirty girl. I'm a dirty girl.
Awesome.
It's not as dirty as you was when you fell into the bushes.
This is our theme song. You want to hear our theme song? Camera, do you want to hear our theme song? I'm going to give y'all our theme song. This is our theme song. I don't know if you hear it.
No. That's what I had for. So we all did that for nothing. Give me that camera.
Hold on. I'm giving a theme song. I got stuff all over me, don't I?
Mm-hmm.
Can you get off me?
I thought that was a bug.
Okay.
Turn off the camera.
We're done recording. Bye. Bye.
Bye.